Hey, all the good folks over at Sefaspe has sent me a welding machine to do a little box opening and try it out and see what we think about it. So let's get it opened up and see what we got. The cool thing about this is it runs off of a 110 volt outlet. You can plug it into your standard house plug. So no 220 is required. And our ground and our stinger here. And another cool thing about this welder is it is stick and MIG. You can use it either way. That is what I really like about this one. Comes with your wire and the welding machine itself. It's small in size, but we're not going to let that be an issue because sometimes it doesn't take much to get the job done. Has your user manual here. Open this little door up right here. That's where you can load your wire for your MIG welding part of it. Has a main on and off switch on the back here. You got your lead plugs right here where you can plug your leads in. Your wire feed will hook up right here. Amperage adjustment here. An LED screen here. You can switch between MIG and TIG right here. Let's get it hooked up. Try it out. Okay, it doesn't come with welding rods, but I happen to have some, so we're going to try that out. See how well it works. Get our leads hooked up here. Get some power going over here. Pretty bright out here, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. We're going to kick it on. And there we go. Sitting at 24, let's bump that up to like 85. And we got it at 86. We're gonna try it out. I don't know, you probably won't be able to see it. It's bright out here. We're gonna try it out. Now these rods that I have are 60-15s. It's what came with another welding machine that I've got. I'm not quite used to that. I know 60-11s and 70-18s, but anyway, let's try it out. Seems to work great. Well, I'll tell you what, there you have it. It will do the job. I've got it turned down quite a bit, so I got some thick steel here, so could have cranked it up some more. Not a problem at all. It's definitely a nice little welding machine. Got the job done. No complaints whatsoever. Also, like I said, you can use it for the wire feed. They send you some wire here too. The arc welding on it is great. If you'd like to get yourself one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Not much more to say. It will get the job done. Plugs into a 110. Perfect for right here in the yard. You're not going to build like a barn with it or, you know, some all-day, everyday welding. But to tack something up out in the yard or out in your little shop, it's great. I like it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.